Hi guys, today we're going to take a look at how we can supercharge our eBay feedback score on eBay. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can automatically increase your feedback score. Now this is important, especially if you're a new seller or you've been selling on eBay for a while. So let's take a look later how we can increase it. And how to automatically remind your buyers to leave you a feedback. As you understand, most of the item that you sold on eBay, you actually need to email the buyer in order to get a feedback score. So in order to increase it automatically, you can actually set up a system to remind the buyer to leave you a positive feedback. The last part, I'll show you how actually you should deal with negative feedbacks. It's pretty simple. So first of all, how do you get more feedbacks from buyers? There's actually two methods. The method number one is to manually email your buyer after like 5 days or 10 days when they receive the products and asking them to leave you feedback. This is a very tedious, or this is a very long process whereby you need to go through one by one, especially if you've been selling on eBay for about 3 to 6 months. While method number two is what we're going to discuss today on how to use an automated software to send out reminders to your eBay buyers and to remind them to give you feedbacks. Now for this method to work efficiently, I would suggest that you must be on eBay selling for at least 2 to 3 months before you hop on to use this tool. Method number two, the automated way, is more efficient and way effective to get a more consistent results from the feedbacks. The reason being, automated software can send out email to remind a buyer on a number of days after they receive the product, send out reminder 1 and reminder 2. So the software you're going to look at is called 3D Sellers. Let's go online and take a look. So this is the website 3dsellers.com, sellers with an S, and I've logged in to my account. So once you log in, you actually be presented with a dashboard. What you need to do is scroll on the left hand side to the part that says communication, okay, this part, and go to the second tab which says feedback reminder. So you can see from this particular page that the number of feedback reminder email in total was 1,972, and the current feedback score that I have is 4,771, which I am going to go for the green star in about less than 2 weeks time. I need about 229 feedbacks. So this is the result from the use of this particular software. For example, on the 21st of July, and you can see the feedback score actually increased tremendously throughout the number of days. Just proceed to the second tab that says send feedback reminders, and you can see that on this page there is two types of reminder. There's first reminder and second reminder. You can customize a message to your buyer, and at the same time you can set the number of days to remind the buyer how many days later after the item have been delivered, and you can also set a specific time. So after you are done, remember to save your setting, and you can proceed on to the second reminder, which is similar. The message has been customized for you, so there's no need for you to do any more changes. For the second reminder, you can also set the number of days after first reminder have been sent, what time you want the buyer to receive your email. And after you're done, make sure you click on this button, say save changes. This is very important, else your changes will not be saved. So this is the way that you can constantly remind the buyer to give you positive feedback. At the same time, you can also put in some refer a friend message. For example, you want to refer them to eBay or Top Cashback to sign up. In terms of you and the buyer will get cash whenever they spend. Okay, so this is one way that you can get some affiliate sales. So let's move on to the last part. Now, how do you deal with negative feedbacks? Well, as a part of the business of dropshipping, you will definitely receive negative feedbacks. So you cannot control who give you negative feedback, and sometimes when you email the buyer refuses to remove the negative feedback, even if it's a genuine fault on the buyer side and not on your side. So what you can do is to get more positive feedback so that the negative feedback does not count as much. And always treat feedbacks as the type of input for a business to improve, especially you are just starting out, and try to improve on your service, your customer service, and eventually your store will have a lot of positive feedback. You also need to watch out for buyers that repeatedly give you negative feedbacks. So what do you do with all these buyers that repeatedly give you negative feedbacks and they actually receive the item but they give you negative feedbacks without stating why is it so? What you can do is block them. On your eBay store, you can actually block all these buyers. So if you're interested how to block them, comment below in this video and I'll give you a link directly to block the buyers. So I've come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please share it, like and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.